How to trade crypto. On Pocket Option, you can trade currencies, cryptocurrencies, commodities, stocks, and indices. The Trading Assets menu is located in the upper left corner of the interface. Select the cryptocurrencies section and choose the specific crypto you want to trade. The profit percentage for each asset is displayed on the right. Once you've made your decision, open a trade by clicking the Buy or Sell button. For quick trades, you can also use features like AI trading, social trading, and signals. How to use AI trading. Start earning with artificial intelligence. Use the AI trading option located between the Buy and Sell buttons on the trading panel. All you need to do is select the trade amount, and the AI will analyze the market and choose the optimal direction for your trade. The AI uses advanced algorithms that consider multiple factors, continuously monitoring the market, allowing for instant reactions to changes. It analyzes market signals, trading strategies, technical analysis, the experience of other traders, and over 100 additional indicators. How to use social trading. The social trading feature allows you to monitor the progress of other traders, view the rankings of the most successful ones, and copy their trades. In this section, you can see how much profit other users make per trade on the trading platform. The ranking shows the most profitable trades and updates every minute. In the drop-down menu, you can see the list of top-ranked traders in the last 24 hours, the top 100 best traders, or the most profitable trades. How to start copying the trades of successful traders? Select a trader in the social trading section and click Copy in the pop-up window. You can adjust the following parameters in the Copy Settings window. The Copy in Proportion setting allows you to customize the percentage ratio between the amount of the copied trade and the original one. The Stop Balance setting allows you to set the balance amount at which copying will be stopped. Here you can set the minimum amount for any copied trade. The next setting allows you to set the maximum amount for any copied trade. Click Confirm to save the settings. The complete list of traders you are currently copying or have copied before is available in the List of Copied Traders section. If you wish to stop copying a trader, open the List of Copied Traders, choose a trader, and click Stop Copying. In this section, you can see everyone who is copying you and also prohibit specific traders from doing so. To follow a trader, simply select their profile and click Watch. The list of watched traders contains a list of traders whose success you are monitoring without copying trades. Customize social trading in a way that works for you. Enable the Display Social Trades function to see other users' trades on the chart. Enable the Watch Copied Trader function so they are automatically added to your watch list. Use the Hide My Profile feature if you do not want other traders to be able to copy your trades. The Show Only Watch Traders function allows you to show only the traders whose trades you are monitoring on the chart. How to use the Bears Power Trading Strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Bears Power strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Bears Power indicator developed by Alexander Elder. The indicator helps traders gauge the strength of the bears, that is sellers, in the market by measuring the difference between the minimum price and the exponential moving average, EMA. If the indicator value is positive, it indicates that the bears are dominant. If it's negative, the bulls are dominant. How to set up the Bears Power indicator for quick trades. Set the EMA period to 13. This is the optimal setting for short-term trades. Open an up trade when the Bears Power indicator crosses the zero line from below, confirming increasing bear strength. Open a down trade when the indicator crosses the zero line from above, indicating weakening bear strength. For greater accuracy, use bear's power in combination with other indicators such as RSI or moving average. How to use the Aroon trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the Aroon strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the Aroon indicator, which was developed by Tushar Chande in 1995. The indicator helps to identify the initial phases of a new trend in the market. The indicator consists of two lines, Aroon up and Aroon down, which help to determine the direction and strength of the trend. How to set up the Aroon indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 for a more sensitive response to market changes. Open an up trade when the Aroon up line crosses the Aroon down line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when the Aroon down line crosses the Aroon up line from bottom to top. To increase the accuracy of signals, use the Aroon indicator together with other indicators such as moving average or RSI. How to use the awesome Oscillator trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the awesome Oscillator strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the awesome Oscillator AO indicator, which was developed by Bill Williams and helps to identify changes in market dynamics and possible trend reversals. The indicator consists of a histogram showing the difference between the 34-period and 5-period simple moving averages, or SMA. How to set up the awesome oscillator for quick trades. Set the default parameters 5 and 34 periods. Open an up trade when the AO crosses the zero line from bottom to top. Open a down trade when AO crosses the zero line from top to bottom. Use the awesome oscillator indicator together with other indicators such as parabolic SAR or Bollinger bands to increase the accuracy of signals. How to use the ROC trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the rate of change, or ROC strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the ROC indicator, which was first proposed in the works of Dr. Alexander Elder. The ROC indicator measures the rate of change in the price of an asset over a certain period and shows the percentage change in price, helping to determine the strength of the trend. How to set up the ROC indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 7 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Watch how the ROC line crosses the zero line. Open an up trade when ROC rises above the zero line. Open a down trade when ROC falls below the zero line. These signals indicate the beginning of a new trend. Combine ROC signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the momentum trading strategy. Today we will show you how to use the momentum strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This is a strategy based on the use of the momentum indicator created by French mathematician Paul-Émile Appel. Momentum shows the strength and direction of the trend, as well as the further potential of its development. How to set up momentum indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 10 to make the indicator more sensitive to short-term price movements. Keep an eye on the indicator line relative to the 100 level. Open an up trade when the momentum line rises above the 100 level. This is a signal that the price is gaining speed and may continue to rise. Open a down trade when the momentum line falls below the 100 level. This is a signal that the price is losing speed and may begin to fall. Combine momentum signals with other indicators such as RSI or MACD to improve accuracy. How to use the OsMA trading strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the OsMA strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on using the OsMA, or moving average of oscillator indicator. OsMA measures the momentum of price movements and helps to forecast future trends by showing the difference between the oscillator and its moving average. It was created based on data from another indicator, MACD. How to set up the OsMA indicator for quick trades. Set the fast EMA to 12, the slow EMA to 26, and the signal SMA to 9. These settings help to clearly identify short-term price fluctuations. Open an up trade when the histogram bar begins to form above the zero line. Open a down trade when the histogram bar starts to form below the zero line. Combine the OsMA indicator with RSI or stochastic indicators to help confirm momentum and direction.
How to use the ADX Trading Strategy. Today, we will show you how to use the ADX strategy for quick trades starting from 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the ADX indicator, or Average Directional Movement Index, developed by engineer and trader Wells Wilder. ADX helps determine the strength and direction of the trend, which is especially useful for quick trading. The indicator consists of 3 lines. The ADX line is a smoothed moving average of the difference between the other 2 components, plus DI and minus DI. The higher the ADX value, the stronger the trend. The plus DI line, or positive directional indicator, measures the upward movement of the price and helps to assess how much the price is moving upward. The minus DI linear, or negative directional indicator, measures the downward price movement and shows how much the price is moving downward. If the ADX value is above 25%, the trend is considered strong enough to open trades. How to set up the ADX indicator for quick trades. Set the DI length and ADX smoothing values to 5. Watch the direction of the plus DI and minus DI lines. If plus DI crosses minus DI from bottom to top, the trend is upward, and you can open an up trade. If plus DI crosses minus DI from top to bottom, the trend is downward, and you can open a down trade. To improve the accuracy of ADX signals, we recommend using it in combination with RSI, stochastic oscillator, and Bollinger Bands indicators.
How to use the Williams percent range trading strategy. Today, we'll show you how to use the Williams percent range strategy for quick trades starting at 5 seconds. This strategy is based on the Williams percent range indicator, developed by Larry Williams. The indicator helps traders identify overbought and oversold market conditions by showing when an asset's price is at extreme levels. Williams percent range measures the current price relative to its price range over a specific period. It oscillates between values from 0 to minus 100. Readings above minus 20 indicate overbought conditions, while readings below minus 80 indicate oversold conditions. How to set up the Williams percent range indicator for quick trades. Set the period to 14 for optimal short-term trading. Open a buy trade when the Williams percent range line crosses the minus 80 level from below, indicating an oversold market with potential for a rise. Open a sell trade when the Williams percent range line crosses the minus 20 level from above, signaling overbought conditions and a possible decline. For increased accuracy, combine Williams's percent range with other indicators like the moving average or RSI.
How to use the Bollinger Bands trading strategy. This strategy is based on the use of the Bollinger Bands indicator, developed by John Bollinger. It consists of 3 lines, a moving average, and 2 outer lines, which are adjusted according to market volatility. These lines expand when the market is volatile and contract during calmer periods, helping to evaluate market dynamics and potential price reversals. How to set up the Bollinger Bands indicator for quick trades, starting at 5 seconds. For short-term trades, use a period of 20 and a deviation of 2. When the price reaches the lower line and starts to rebound, you can open an up trade. When the price touches the upper line and starts to recede, open a down trade. Use Bollinger Bands with other indicators such as RSI or MACD for more reliable signals. Happy trading on Pocket Option.